Can you make your own conditioner and put color in it? I do. Let me show you one way that I do that. Townsel here. Thank you for watching. In the past, I've used these to add to different types of conditioner. I've used Silk Elements of purple and just various shades of brown and blonde, and they have worked just fine. If my hair is dry, it's going to be more effective to put the color in the conditioner because it's going to load up on the ends instead of the shampoo, which is just going to wash out. That's my theory anyway. So if you're putting something darker on there and your hair is really, really dry and your hair is really light, just know that it's probably going to deposit a little bit more color on the ends than it is on the roots. So be mindful of that. Big difference in these two colors and these two colors in conditioner. This is what I'm going to use to color my conditioner today. I have an empty container of the L5 Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm, which is a really great conditioner for my hair. I have a brand new one. I have some purple color that I found in my cupboard that I was going to color my hair a long time ago and decided not to. And I'm going to use a spoon and the plastic gloves. I use plastic gloves in the shower to wash my hair and condition my hair to mix it together. I'm going to shake up the purple, shaking it longer than that. And you can either use a spoon to spoon the, if it's like a creamy balm like this, or if it's a liquid container, you can just pour it in there. If you have liquid conditioner that you just want to add some to, you can add this directly to the bottle. But I'm using this balm type stuff now, and I don't want to mix it in the whole thing. For one reason, this has volume, and it's going to flow over the top of this. And I'm not sure I want to keep putting purple on my hair. Conditioner lasts me a long time, and I don't know that I'm going to want it purple for the whole time of this conditioner. So I'm going to scoop about 2 or 3 scoops in here and then mix the purple together. Honestly, if I didn't want to use the spoon, I could just put my plastic gloves on there, scoop some in, squirt this in there, and mix it together with my fingers. But I'm going to show you the clean way to do it. Isn't that pretty, by the way? I just love new product anyway. Just very, very cool. So I'm going to put a couple spoonfuls in there. I pop the top. I'm going to squirt some of this in here. And I really don't even have to stir it with a spoon because I could just wait till I wash my hair with the plastic gloves on there and mix it together like that. But I want to show you what it looks like. It's pretty, isn't it? So there's really no magic. The only thing is chemicals are going to react, and I'm not telling you that you should do this. I'm not telling you that all the colors are going to work with all the conditioners, so you're taking a chance in your own hands, literally, when you decide to do this. So let me stir this up and I'll be right back. That's what mine looks like stirred up. If you decide that that's too dark for you, then you can just scoop in some more of that and make it a little bit lighter. I'm probably going to do that because I do want to have it just a little bit lighter than that. I put in about another scoop, and so I'm going to leave it like that right now and see how it goes. If you don't want it this dark, obviously, like I could just put a couple of drops in this and mix this up and just have it very slightly not yellow, but tinted a little bit color, a little of whatever color I wanted to have it. And this is not going to make my hair purple. I'm just trying to offset the yellow that's in there from using the color remover on there. That's how I do that. I just used the purple conditioner, and you can see it did not turn my hair purple. It's just going to help tone down this yellow as my gray grows in, because I think I'm gonna go back gray and silver and all that good stuff. So the purple is just to try to blend that in. You can buy fancy shampoos and things that already have like a little purple tint in there. I have a video up about one called Shimmering Lights, but I didn't really care for the shampoo and the conditioner, so I thought, let me see if I can put the purple tint in a conditioner and a shampoo that I like. And after experimentation, I learned that it really works better for my hair if I put it in the conditioner instead of the shampoo. I've blow dried it and straightened it, and you can see that it did not turn it purple. The premise is that as this gray comes in, that it's going to keep it from turning so yellow. I'll eventually have to do something to the yellow to let it look a little bit more even. But not tonight. But it didn't make it purple. I didn't put enough purple dye in there. I didn't leave it on there long enough for that to happen. And I haven't used it long enough. So maybe after several weeks, and if I decide to put more purple dye in there, and if I leave it on longer than I did today, it will eventually start turning the this a little different color, but not for the first time. And this part has had color remover on it. It's had L'Oreal color remover on it, so it's pretty bleached out, and it didn't pick up a lot of the purple, in case somebody's wondering. Now, if your hair is really, really light or bleach blonde, it might pick up more. I mixed the conditioner pretty dark this last time to try to get rid of some yellow that was in my hair that I was really annoyed by. And also I still had some of the Shimmering Lights shampoo, which after using it I didn't really care for it because my hair made my hair super, super frizzy. But I used this and the conditioner, and let me show you the difference. It made quite a bit of difference in getting rid of the yellow. The gray hair really picked up a lot of the purple. You can see the difference. It's yellower on the bottom. And then also, because the ends of my hair are super dry, I didn't curl them so I could show you this. It picked up a little bit of the purple in there, making it look a little more gray, which is kind of where I'm going. So the more purple I put in there, the more the gray picks it up. It starts wanting to turn purple. So if my hair had no color on it at all, it would be slightly tinted purple today. So if I can show you what it looks like in the back. The back is like less because it's darker, and there's not as much gray wadded up around, so it doesn't show up in the back as much as it does show up right here and up under here. But you can definitely change the color of your, well, you can change the tint of your hair by doing this. And this is what it looks like in the full sun. See how it makes the shampoo makes the frizzies just stick up. I didn't put any product on there because I wanted to see the true residue that the dyes would leave on my hair. So it looks witchy. Thank you for watching. It's free to like, subscribe, share this video if appropriate, and leave a comment if you like, if you've had experience doing something like this yourself. Until next time, take care. Bye.